Welcome back to the 0 to 1 blueprint. You've done the hard, foundational work. In step 1, you identified a painful, profitable problem. In step 2, you defined your company's purpose, your mission and your vision. Now, we translate that passion into a concrete, 12-month plan. This isn't a 50-page document no one will read. This is an actionable roadmap that tells you what to do tomorrow to achieve your ultimate vision. This is step 3. How to build your solid business plan. Part 1. Setting the strategic North Star, 12-month goals. The first step in planning is defining your strategic goals. These must directly serve your mission. We use the SMART framework to turn dreams into deliverables. 1. Specific. What, exactly, will be achieved? Example: launch MVP, not build product. 2. Measurable. Can you track it with a number? Example: acquire 100 paying customers, not get customers. 3. Achievable. Is it realistic within the 12-month time frame? 4. Relevant. Does it directly move you toward your mission, vision? 5. Time-bound. When will it be complete? Example: by Q4. Actionable exercise. Write down 3-5 SMART goals for the next 12 months. Focus on the most important milestones that prove your concept works. For example, Goal 1. Achieve $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue by the end of Q4. Goal 2. Launch a minimum viable product, MVP, with feature A and B by the end of Q2. Part 2. The competitive advantage. The why us. You're not operating in a vacuum. You need to understand the field. Start with a quick competitive analysis. 1. Who are the competitors currently solving the problem? Your current fix from E1. List the top 3. 2. What are their core flaws? Are they too expensive? Too complicated? Too focused on a different audience? Your plan must hinge on your unique value proposition, UVP. This is why a customer should stop using the current fix and switch to you. You should be able to state your UVP in one powerful sentence. UVP formula. We help customer segment achieve specific desired outcome by core differentiator and eliminate the pain point. Example UVP. We help solo plumbers find and schedule same-day emergency jobs instantly by connecting directly to local supply data, eliminating hours of phone tag and wasted fuel. This UVP is what separates you from the competition and must guide your entire marketing strategy. Part 3. The execution roadmap. The how-to. This is where the doing starts. Take your 12-month SMART goals and break them down into a sequence of quarterly milestones. A. Product, service roadmap. The build. If your goal is to launch an MVP by Q2, break that down. Q1 milestone. Complete user interviews and final feature list. Secure engineering resources. Q2 milestone. Complete beta build. Test with 10 friendly users, and fix critical bugs. Goal complete. MVP launched. B. Marketing and sales plan. The connect. Your marketing plan must prove your UVP to the customer segments you defined in E1. Where do they spend their time? Strategy. Are you a low-cost, high-volume model, or a high-touch, premium service? Channels. If your customer is a plumber, you market on industry forums, not TikTok. If your customer is a young professional, you use social media. Action. For Q1, your marketing action might be: create 5 pieces of problem-aware content that drive traffic to a waitlist landing page. See Financial Snapshot, the reality check. No plan is solid without numbers. You don't need a complex P&L statement yet, but you need a basic reality check. 1. Startup costs. What is the minimal cash needed to get to your Q2 milestone, salaries, software, legal? 2. Revenue projections. Based on your pricing model and your customer acquisition goal, from your SMART goals, what is your projected monthly revenue by month 6 and month 12? 3. Burn rate. How many months can you survive before running out of money, based on your current costs and projected revenue? These numbers are your guardrails. They tell you if you are on track or if you need to pivot. Conclusion and call to action. Congratulations! You've completed the foundation of your business. You moved from problem to purpose to plan. Step 1. The problem statement is your market opportunity. Step 2. The mission, vision is your reason for being. Step 3. The one-year plan is your path to action. The planning is over. The work begins now. Your solid plan gives you the clarity to act decisively and the courage to say no to distractions. Go execute. Join me for the next step in the 0 to 1 Blueprint series, where we start talking about the nuts and bolts of building your minimum viable product, MVP.